Hey you guys, my name is Liz and I'm the resident nail tech here at Makartt. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this French look using our new Snatch collection. We just dropped this collection this week and I love it. I know you guys will too. I also know that achieving a polygel French can be a little bit difficult, especially if you're a beginner or especially if you've never attempted to do a polygel French. But I promise you, with the techniques that I'm going to teach you in this video, it'll be a breeze, and the more you practice it, the better it'll get. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. To start off, I'm taking my base coat and I'm just going to be applying this all over the nail and curing it for a minute and 30 seconds. So I'm taking the color Blended and I'm going to start creating the nude part of our French. And what I'm doing is I am just going to be applying this color all over my natural nail, except I'm going to extend it a little bit past where my natural nail grows. So if you guys can see here, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to be pushing it towards the cuticle and make sure that I cover the whole surface of the nail. Then I'm going to cure this for a minute and 30 seconds. Once that's done curing, I'm going to go ahead and grab a lint-free wipe, and I'm just going to start removing the sticky layer of the surface to prep our nail for filing. Now when I file, I'm going to pretty much shape it into an almond shape. The same shape as the nail is what I'm trying to go for, making sure it's even on both sides. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Bronzer, and I'm just going to be applying this in the tip of the nail, making sure that I extend the color all the way to the side walls. Once that's been cured for about a minute and 30 seconds, I'm going to take my lint-free wipe and remove the sticky layer again. Then I'm going in with my hand file just to smooth out the surface. Once that's complete, I'm going to take my top coat and I'm just going to start applying an even layer all over the nail to give it that shine and reveal the French. If you get any polish on the side, it's okay. You could take your brush and some slip solution and just clean up the edges, then cure it for about a minute and 30 seconds. Once that's finished, I'm going to go ahead and take my soy cuticle oil and I'm just going to be applying this all over the cuticles to rehydrate them. And now that we've done that, this is the completed look. What do you guys think? I love this. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye.